Actually, I'm going to discuss how to import CSV file into Google Sheets. So it's too simple. First here I'm going to show the files. The file is in file directory. Then you can see the list of CSV files are there. So employees emp file 1. So if I click on this employees, then if I go on this properties, then you can see .csv extension is there. That means this file is the CSV. So the next is, let's open the Google Sheet. And if here you can see this option, if you get, so let's click on this blank. Then after here you need to go on this file tab, file. Then you can see there is the import option, so click on this import. So you can see here thread recent upload, so click on this upload, then click on the browse file. Then from there you need to select your files. So my file is in desktop, then file. So you can select any of this file. So let's select here department.csv. Open. So here this all detect automatically replace. So now click on this import data. So now you can see department files that's come there. So it's a too easy process. Okay. After that you can use any kind of query performance, do some so many things you can apply on these tables.